It's your girl Tisha Monique, back again, dolls, and I am back today just sharing with you guys some amazing outfits, fits that I picked up for the holiday season specifically because they are just so gorgeous. I'm actually wearing one right now and I'm obsessed with this outfit. It is size up because I wasn't sure of the sizing. I think now that I'm more so at my ideal weight goal that I could, you know, I wouldn't mind tailoring this to make it fit to the current body. But I think it's just so gorgeous. I paired it with gold. I paired it with a pair of pumps from Zara. Zara always has really pretty heels, so you could definitely pair it with something more muted because, like I said, this is a showstopper set and you can't go wrong with your accessories. So I did tone down the accessories. I'm wearing a Fenty lip gloss, Bob Wives on the lips just to give a little something, but straight hair is how I love to look for the season, for the fall. I think it just looks really chic, really glam, and that's typically how I style myself for the holiday seasons. Sometimes I do more of a curly hairstyle or something with the flexi rods around Christmas time, but for the most part I love to live in my straight hair for sure, or to have my hair straight for sure. But I love the shoulder pads on this. I think it just gives a classy detail that shows that you know what you're doing. This to church, I will wear this to holiday events. I think will be pretty for the spring. I think that the floral detailing stuff will be great for the spring with a nice like an Easter suit even. And there were different colors. This is what I chose, but you'll go on the website and you'll see that they have a lot of fabulous pieces, dresses, tunics, skirt sets, pants sets, suits, you name it. They even have outerwear. So all of the details for what I'm wearing, the pieces that I show you, because they will be available on the site, but you can definitely go on there. I encourage you to go on there and check out all the pieces that they have to offer. They have some amazing things on there. I would pick these pieces out again and again because this is my style. I do suggest for these that you size to your true size now, because this is not a cheap material. It's not a stretchy material. It doesn't have give. It's lined. If I didn't say that, the whole thing is lined. The pants are lined, the jacket is lined. So the quality is so nice, but it's not one that you could just put on and it's just gonna fit abnormal or kind of cheapy. They like really nice pieces designed. Yes, dolls, so this next outfit is so gorgeous. I love the color on it. I hope that the camera is picking up how truly vivid this set is. It's just gorgeous. It's made from velvet. The material feels so silky and so smooth on the skin. Again, this is double lined, so the inside has a really nice smooth finish for you. And I just love it. I love the gold trim and the detail on it. Again, perfect for the holiday seasons. It's kind of a cranberry color if the camera is picking up on the color. I did pair it with a deeper lip just to kind of give a small, subtle distinguishing from my face, makeup, and the outfit itself. So this was standalone, but I had on a clear gloss earlier and it looked really, really nice with this too. I just paired it with some Amazon lenses that I thought would get a nice detail or pick up that accent of gold on it. But I really love it. I love the trim of it. The trim is on both sides, so it's not just on the front, but just getting into that detail, the double-breasted gold buttons, the pockets, which I love. You can stick your lippy in there, your phone. This one again, I would say for this one again that you should go more true to size on this one as well. I did get this in a size large, the pants and the jacket, and actually it fits really good. I like the fit of it because it's a little roomy, especially if you are a heavier busted girl like myself, so that if you wanted to put a top underneath or a Skims top or something, that it wouldn't be too tight across the back and the front. So I like the fit of this actually in a size up on the jacket. Now the pants, I would say if you want them to be more of a looser fit, you could do a size up, but if not, if you want everything to fit really, really nice, exact, then get your size. For me, I'm gonna have this tailored in the back just to bring it in a little bit across the back so that it fits more seamlessly, more tailored look. And then on the pants, I love that the lengths are long on the pants, you dolls. So if you want to put this on with a heel, they will be perfect. And if you are a taller girl, I'm 5'3", but I feel like if you're a taller girl, these would be tall girl friendly as well for you. I have these on with some Zara heels. I don't think they're available, but I'll insert just a picture of how they look if you want to find something similar to complete this look. But I feel like the quality, again, is top tier. This is perfect for your holiday season. I could definitely see myself at a Christmas party with this, or a dinner, or just a night out where I'm feeling festive. I want to have something that has that festive vibe, and when you walk in, it gives like, I'm here for the season, I'm here for the holiday season and for all of the events. But this is really pretty. I love the shoulder pads on that, and just look how pretty that is. Like if you're out, you had your hair thrown back or an updo, then look at the detail on that on the collar. It's just so pretty. I love the quality of these clothes. I'm so glad that I picked out this set as well. This is sold separately. Each set, each pants and the jackets are sold separately. If I didn't say that, they're not two-piece sets, but like I said, the quality is immaculate. It's amazing. It doesn't fit tight or ill-fitted, like where it's poor construction, tight here, tight here. Everything fits how it should fit. It does have a very elegant designer feel, as I've said about the last set, but this set is equally as impressive. I have one more set that I want to share with you dolls, and so if this one doesn't miss, which I don't think it will, because looking at the package it looks amazing, then we will be 3 for 3. So let me change, I'll come right back to you and share with you the last set. Okay dolls, I am back with another fabulous set. This brand does not miss. Like, everything is so gorgeous. Look at that electric blue. Look at the shoulder pads on this. Look how it's showing up. Like, you don't even need any words for this. This is so beautiful. The color is vibrant. I think that it is a showstopper and hands down a great quality piece or outfit, set, suit, whatever you want to call it, for the holiday season, but also anytime. Like, this will be fabulous for date night. If you pair this with a little bustier underneath it, if you wanted to have a little, you know, make it, spice it up a little bit for date night, or you could wear this to church in the spring or the summer. This would be great for brunch after church and on the patio, and just on and on and on. Like, this is a gorgeous set. I've paired this today with just this Zara bag. I went with silver on the tones for this one, just so, because the blue was so electric. I just love this set. I love that the pants are an extremely wide legged pant, and I didn't say that about the red or the cranberry velvet set, but it also has a beautiful wide leg. I love a wide leg. I think it just looks so expensive. A tapered leg looks expensive too, as far as looking tailored, but I think a wide leg, it just flows so beautifully and it's so feminine. I love the way this feels on the body. It's not a cheap plasticky type material. This is definitely satin. It's smooth. It feels nice on the skin. It's double lined as well, and I'm going to show you dolls, as you can see, I'll insert how beautiful this sits. It's got movement in it, and it's just a great piece. So dolls, I didn't say for the sizing on this one, I feel like you should go true to size. I did end up sizing up because, like I said, I'm more, I need a larger size on the top due to my bust. So I usually get a size up in blazers and jackets. That way, if I wanted to wear something underneath it or whatever, then I could have that extra space, or to tailor it, because I love to tailor a jacket and have it just fit like it is designed specifically for your body. So for this jacket, I did size up, but I think that you could go true to size, but I feel like it feels good in the bust area. I do have it pinned closed, but I would have it taken in a little bit across the back, just so that it has that seamless finish that I was sharing with you dolls. Love this outfit and how it feels on the body. I love how flowy it is, and the pants and that extra wide leg. The extra wide leg on this pant is just so gorgeous. Definitely wearing this out for a night on the town, date night. This is just really, really pretty. And you know, this is also something if you have an event for work. If you have an event for work, this would be so gorgeous. Look at the shoulder pads and the detailing on this. I love this. I think that it's a great quality. The material is so pretty and plush. And it's just an excellent buy. Like, I'm so impressed with everything that I've shared with you dolls. I did pair it with silver, like I said. I think it just adds, like, allows the suit to speak for itself. And I think that once I have the waist kind of pulled in a little bit and let this flare out a little bit more on the top, it just looks like a feminine princess type set. Like, I'm so happy with this set, and I'm glad that I picked the color. This electric blue is just so pretty. I think it's inviting. It's a statement piece. It stands out. It says a lot without saying too much. It doesn't look too flashy, but it looks like, yeah, she knows what she's doing. She knows how to curate a set, and that's exactly what this is giving. I would probably pair this with just sunglasses, not so much a tinted lens, but something, you know, just like, I don't know, a cyclone sunglass, a YSL blaze sunglass, or something like that, just to show if you wanted to take it up even more. But oh my goodness, hello. I'm wearing these with a Zara pump that I believe is last season. It may be 2 seasons ago now, so I don't know if you can get your hands on it, but it is this beautiful beaded shoe from Zara. So always put up you some shoes, even if you don't know when you're gonna wear them. Have them on hand. Have some things in your collection. This is definitely a collection worthy piece that you could put in your closet, have for some time, and not have to worry about, you know, what am I gonna wear? What am I gonna wear for the holidays, for parties, for gatherings, white elephants, etc. Baby, step in and shut the party down when you walk in. Okay, these are all those type of pieces that I'm sharing. That's the vibe that these are. So if you are looking for elevated, elegant statement pieces, these are all statement pieces. This is a shop for you. Like I said, everything that I ordered is top notch. Like, can't wait to wear any of these pieces. Make sure that you check out the links below. Gal for the collection. She's a gorgeous beauty. This will be perfect with any of these looks, I think, but with this blue or the velvet would look so nice. Such a statement piece on its own. I'll link the video for this if you dolls haven't seen it. This is a perfect holiday bag, everyday bag or evening bag, date night bag, but definitely for the holidays. This is definitely a beautiful bag, and I did review this in detail, so I will link that video here so you dolls can check it out. But this one is another gorgeous pickup that I've had recently and will look fantastic with beautiful outfits. So absolutely love these together as well. So I don't know how I would pair this if I would do the designer bag, but look at the leg on these pants, you dolls. This is so gorgeous. You don't even see the shoes, really just the point of the toe. And I love that. I just love that peekaboo effect with the shoe. So gorgeous. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Great piece. So again, you cannot go wrong with any of these pieces that I'm sharing with you dolls today. I'm so glad that I went and took a chance on the pieces that I picked out. I had picked out some dresses and different things, but I was like, you know what, for the holiday season, I love to wear a 2-piece set. I love suits. I love just the dynamic of it looking like a full outfit, very intentional, and then just the attention to detail, even when you tone down everything else. Like, you could pair it with a subtle lip, a little jewelry, and a bag and shoes, and you are out the door. So I absolutely love these sets. You cannot go wrong with any of them. Definitely gonna have all the details listed below. Check out this brand, STYLEWE, online. They have great shipping. I believe I have a discount code. I will list that for you dolls below as well. Go shop, go check out some pieces. Like I said, I had a cart full of stuff. I have some things that I'm gonna go back to and order as well. But I love the pieces that I'm sharing with you today. I can't wait to style them, to wear them. I'm sure you'll see them in some upcoming videos this season. And I'm just excited for you dolls to go and get your hands on some of these pieces too. Quality is top notch, definitely affordable in my opinion for the quality that you are getting. And I think that they have so many unique pieces that it would become, it's a boutique style online shopping experience that you can have and not be worried about running into other gals with your same outfits on or anything like that, or taking photos and then seeing it somewhere else on the net. I think these are so fantastic and unique. Expect quality when you order. Don't expect it to be, you know, cheapy type stuff. These are really, really, really nice pieces. It looks even more luxurious, elegant, top tier than when I saw it on the website. I saw it on the website, but you know, pictures can be deceiving, but the quality in person is so, I almost said effing, so fantastic. Oh my goodness, I could not wait to get on here, film for you dolls, let you see these looks, and to share it with you guys, because I think that these are perfect for the holiday seasons, which are upcoming. If you have any evening parties or get-togethers, gatherings, date nights, friendsgivings, anything that you want to step out and attend looking unlike anybody else, because these pieces are definitely unique, stylish, and will be game changers and head turners for you. And dolls, that's it. That's everything in the video. I will link everything below, as I said. Please feel free to leave me a comment. Give this video a big thumbs up if you want more fashion try-on hauls from me. I love to see your feedback. I definitely will respond to all your comments. And until the next video, I'll see you dolls. Bye.